What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, back for another video. And today we are going to be discussing the 1975 No-S dime. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so No-S proof coins were the product of the way in which proof dies were handled, beginning in 1968 when the San Francisco Mint began striking proof coins. All dies for proof coins were prepared at the Philadelphia Mint. This was done by adding a mint mark to a normal P mint die. However, some dies escape this process, thus we see No-S dimes in 1968, 1970, 1975, and 1983. Only two examples of the 1975 No-S dime are known. The first coin was discovered in a 1975 S proof set in 1977. The second example was found 7 years later. The 1975 proof sets had a mintage of over 2.8 million. Each set had a price of $7 each. Each set contains the following coins: 1975 Lincoln cent, 1975 Jefferson nickel, 1975 Roosevelt dime, 1976 Bicentennial Washington quarter, 1976 Bicentennial Kennedy half dollar, and finally the 1976 Bicentennial Eisenhower dollar. The extreme rarity of the 1975 No-S proof dime can be explained in two ways. The first, the error was discovered at the mint in time to stop the press, but not before a very small quantity of sets had already gone out the door. 2. The coins were deliberately made. This explanation is not as far-fetched as it may seem, because other remarkable proof errors emerged from the San Francisco Mint during the early 1970s. So yes, guys, as you saw from that auction sale, this dime sold for over $456,000. Just imagine if you had one of those on your hands. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Always check your coins. Happy hunting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.